Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's open your textbook page 117. Okay, buka bukunya halaman 117. Okay, I'd like to, Miss mau pilih dulu ya. I wanna choose Leonel. Hi Leonel, can you read the question, the problem, so we can discuss together?
A pile of 7 similar mathematics textbooks is 4.555 centimeter high. The height of 9 such textbooks. Round off your answer to 1 decimal place.
Okay, yes, thank you. No need to read the discussion or the solving problems. Thank you. Okay, I will translate in bahasa. Jadi katanya ada tumpukan 7 buku. Tahu ya tumpukannya? 7 tumpukan buku matematika. Oke, tinggi bukunya itu tumpukannya a pile of 7 similar mathematics itu. The height is 4. Okay, we can say this one 4.55. Okay, in maths you cannot say 4.55. Cannot say it 4.55 in decimal number. Okay, jadi di belakang decimal number you have to say number one by one. Okay, I think some students in grade 4 last time I already teach about this. You have to say one by one, right? Yang kelas 4 sama Miss Ruth sudah tahu ya cara membacanya ya. I hope. Okay, hopefully. And then find the height of 9 such textbooks. Nah, jadi kita akan mencari tinggi daripada 9 buku yang ditumpuk. Nah, gimana caranya Miss Ruth? Oke, sebelumnya let's see this picture. Oke. We suppose this one as the mathematics textbooks. Jadi kita anggap ini sebagai tumpukannya. Tapi misalkan gambar yang baru ya di sini ya. So you can see what I mean. Misalkan buat yang baru, 7 mathematics textbook itu seperti ini contohnya, Nak. Oke, we need 7 ya. Anggaplah 7 nanti ya. How many already? 6 and this one. One more ya. Okay, already 7, right? Nah, we can call this one as a pile of 7 similar mathematics textbook. Jadi ini tumpukan dari buku matematika. Nah, tingginya berapa? The height of this textbook, the pile of textbook is 4.55 centimeter. Okay, but in the questions asked about find the height of 9. Jadi kita mau cari tinggi dari 9. Ini kan 7, berarti tambah 2 buku lagi ya. Oke, sebelum itu, Miss, berarti kita gambar lagi bukunya. No, no need ya. We just do like this. 4.55, 4,55 ini, we divided by the amount, the number of mathematics textbook. Jumlah buku matematika yang ditumpuk tadi, 7. So we divide 4.55 divided by 7. Okay, we will get 0.65. I have the easiest ways, Miss punya cara yang mudah, easy way to find out this division supaya kalian tidak bingung. Okay, let's pay attention. Coba pay attention ya nak, focus and pay attention. We have decimal number is 4.55. Coba kita abaikan, we ignore the decimal. We ignore decimal, it means we can write down the number is 455. Okay, 455 divided by 7. Kita divide it. Okay, so let's count it. 7 times what number? Close or equals to 45. 7 kali berapa mendekati 45? Which one?
6.
6.
42.
Miss.
It means 7 times 6 equals
42.
good, 42 centi. Okay, next we subtract, we minus. 5 minus 2?
3.
3.
Good. Okay, can we find out 7 times what number equals 3? Cannot ya. If cannot, we make 5 go down. Okay. 5 go down become 35. Go ahead. 7 times
And then
what
7
number?
times 5 equals 35.
Good job.
It's
5
5.
times 35. So, no reminder. Tidak ada sisa ya. So, the answer is? The answer is? Okay, wait. 65. Nah, just now, we ignore this decimal. How many digit behind of decimal point? Berapa digit di belakang decimal, nak? How many digit?
1.
1. How many? Berapa angka dia di belakang decimal? Yes, 2. 1 and 2. Ada 2 angka di belakang decimal point ya. Nah, it means we come from this. 1, 2. Nah, and then you put point here. Miss, how about the number here? We just make 0. Okay, how about you? Is it easy?
Easier
Easy?
than the first step.
Okay, easy. The first step, it means you do
I
like
mean
this.
easier, lebih mudah yang kedua daripada yang pertama.
Oh,
Yang
I think
pertama
you-
ribet banget di VC, Miss.
Ya, nggak apa-apa ya, tapi namanya belajar. Semua cara itu boleh kita pakai ya, kita gunakan. Okay, any questions about this solution? Okay, or you want to complain, Miss? The first way is better. The first way is easier. The first is I like it. Maybe you want to say like that. Any comment? Ada yang mau komen atau mau bilang, Miss, I have another way. Do you have comment? Nothing? Hello? Knock, knock, knock. Is the class students here? Is there Pluto class students here? Nothing? Hola.
Nggak ada pertanyaan dari VC, Miss.
Thank you, Vici, for responding me. Ayo, yang lainnya coba
Can
respon.
help me.
No,
Ya. Clear ya? Clear ya? Clear everyone?
Yes.
Ya. Gampang banget ini.
Yes,
Nah,
Miss.
ya, jadi, okay, from this one, we know that, okay, each of the part.
Miss, suaranya jadi kecil, Miss.
iya, Mi.
Iya, Miss, dia kecil.
Oh, check how about now?
Still small, Mi.
Masih
Still
kecil.
Kecil. Okay, check 1, 2, 3. How about now?
Gak bisa, Mi.
Nirvana, can you hear me clearly? Christian, can you hear me clearly?
Already, Miss.
Already, Miss.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, another students, yang lainnya tolong dibuka kameranya. Please turn on your camera so I can know you. Because later when you grade 6, you will meet with me again. Ya, akan ketemu sama Miss Ruth lagi kalian nanti ya. So please turn on kamera. Helen Tambunan, Winston, Zevanya, Zuriel, Emmanuel. Please turn on your camera. Aaron, please turn on your camera. Hi Ivan. Just join tadi ya, nak ya, waktu Miss menjelaskan. Oke, thank you. Oke, so we get each of the height of textbook. Jadi kita dapat tingginya berapa? Satu textbook ini kita dapat tingginya 0.65 ya, 0.65. The questions ask about apa tadi pertanyaannya? Pertanyaannya tanya berapa? Berapa buku? How many textbook? 9, right? Nah, kalau
9.
ditanya 9, we do multiplication. We do multiplication. It means that 0.65 times 9. Oke, Miss, ini gimana cara ngerjakannya, Miss? Oke, the same way I will teach you, ya. Look at this and pay attention. Please pay attention to Miss Ruth. Okay, look at this. We have decimal. We ignore the decimal number. Jadi kita ambil angka 65, ya. 65 times 9 equals, okay, let's together answer with me. 5 times 9. 5 times 9. 45, 4 and up, and then 9 times 6, or 6 times 9.
54.
54.
54 plus 4.
58.
58. Okay, how about this, Miss Ruth? Iya, we see again, kita lihat decimal numbernya tadi. How many digit behind of decimal point? How many digit? Berapa digit dia di belakang desimal? Berapa angka? Berapa angka di belakang desimal Putri? How many Putri?
Tuh, Miss. Tuh.
Ya, there are 2 digits ya, ada 2 digit di sini. It means that yang 500 tadi, 500,
It becomes
5
5.85.
good job. Oke, kita hitung dari sini ya. 1, 2, and then we put the decimal point. So we get the answer is 5.85. Thank you, Vicky.
I already got the answer, but actually I didn't remove the zero. But my
Okay.
answer is the same.
Oh, same ya. It's okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, if you want to choose your way, kalau mau pakai cara kamu, it doesn't matter for me ya. Karena Miss akan kasih kebebasan kalian mengerjakan math ya. Do our own way. Okay, next continue. So we get this 5.85 for 9 such textbook ya. The height of the 9 such textbook is 5.85. Jadi tinggi 9 buku kalau kita tambahkan lagi bukunya, Nak. Sampel ya, Miss tambahkan lagi bukunya 2 di atas. Oke, wait ya. It means that the height of textbook is, jadi tingginya berapa tadi? 5.85. Yes. Oke, tapi di sini belum selesai, Nak. Katanya apa? Round off your answer to 1 decimal place. Nah, 1 decimal place artinya 1 angka di belakang decimal point. We have 2 digit, right? So we have to make become 1. Kita buat jadi 1. Can I erase? Boleh Miss hapus ya? Can I erase? Can?
Yes, Miss.
Yes,
Focus. Sally, please focus ya to our discussion. Don't do anything exact math. I hope you can focus. Thank you. Okay, look at this. 5.85. Oke, katanya harus diubah ke 1 digit aja di belakang decimal point. Miss, caranya gimana? You can look at to this one. The before number, okay, the previous number of 8. Number sebelum 8, number 5. Okay, last time you already discussed about that ya. If the number is 5, we run off to the right or to the left, up or to the down. Which one? Kalau misalnya angka 5, dia dibulatkan ke atas atau dibulatkan ke bawah, Nak? Ayo.
Up, Miss,
ingat.
up.
Up, good job, up. Kalau up berarti angka yang di depannya 8 ini kita tambahkan 1 plus 1 and then we cross this. So we can get the answer is 5.9. Got it, Helen? Understand, Muntas? Get it, Winston, Aaron?
Understand, Miss.
Understand. Okay.
Yes, Miss.
Easy ya, this is really easy, okay? Easy peasy pineapple squeezy. Okay, you have questions? Ada pertanyaan? Nothing?
Nothing, Miss.
Okay, Miss Ruth. Okay, let's continue to the next. Miss panggil namanya. Hahaha. Ready ya? Haha. Just kidding, just kidding. Langsung dimatikan kamera semua. Wait. Miss panggil dulu namanya baru Miss go to the next slide. Kids, please don't turn off your camera ya, because I will screenshot later to Miss Jesse. So Miss Jesse will give you point for class dojo. Okay, Christian, can you help me for the next number, Christian?
Okay.
Okay, page 117, still number 2. Okay, go ahead. You can read first the question.
A pile of 7 similar mathematics textbooks.
No. Number 2. Sorry, number 2. Already number 2. Can you see number 2? Kids, can you see number 2?
Suita used 12.15 kilograms of flour in her bakery. Tanu used 3 times as much flour as Suita. Usman used 24.50 kilograms of flour, less than Tanu. How much flour that Usman used?
Oke, thank you. Jadi dia tanya tentang berapa banyak tepung, how much flour did Usman use? Berapa banyak tepung yang dipakai oleh si Usman dengan statement yang pertama ya. Oke, Miss bantu dulu sebentar nanti Christian, letter Christian you will help me to fill the answer. Or friends, if you know the answer you can chat ya. Okay. Suwita, look at this one. Suwita use 12.15, not 12.15 ya, 12.15 kilograms of flour. And then Tanu use 3 times. Tahu nggak artinya 3 times as much flour as Suwita? 3 kali lipatnya dari punya siapa? Suwita ya. 3 times as much flour. You can write down. 3 kali banyaknya daripada 3 kali punyanya Suwita. Oke, jadi jumlah tepung yang dipakai Tanu itu 3 kali dari jumlah tepungnya Suwita. Oke, and then Usman use 24.50 kilogram of flour less than Tanu. Jadi katanya si Usman ini menggunakan 24,5 kilogram lebih sedikit dari si Tanu. Oke, let's discuss together. Kita discuss sama-sama ya, Nak. Oke, Christian, what the first thing that you have to do in this part? Wait, yeah, I will mark this. So, another students, you can write down using your pencil. Bisa pakai pensil kamu ya, Nak. Christian, can you turn on your audio?
Okay.
Okay.
I think
Yeah.
we want to find how many flour Usman used. So we need to know how many does Tanu flour have.
Good. So this one, the first step.
And Tanu have 3 times more flour. So we put 3 in the green box.
Good. 3 and
then multiply it with 12.15 kilograms.
Okay. So what number that you get, or how much flour is this? How much flour? Okay, everyone, you can count it. Boleh dihitung dan ditulis ya. Please count it. 3 times 12.15. Caranya boleh kayak Miss Ruth tadi, oke? Okay? Abaikan dulu decimal point-nya, and then you do times, oke? Okay? Do it. Nanti kembalikan lagi decimalnya, oke? Okay? I'm gonna give 20 seconds for counting that. 20, 19, come on, everyone, you can chat me by chat box. 18, 17, 16, 15. Ayo, Nirvana, write down. Where is your textbook? Please don't see only. You can follow, you can ask. Okay, if you don't know, ask me. Okay, come on. 17, 16, boleh chat Miss Ruth. I will see your answer. Yang pertama jawab tadi Farica. Okay, good job Farica. Okay. Come on, go ahead. Go ahead. Okay, good job Muntas. Good job Lionel. Who else? Oh, Lionel. Okay, I'm still asking about this ya, Lionel ya. Good job, but it's good ya, Lionel. It's good. Good answer. Lionel, Farica, Muntas, Adelia, good job. Okay, have you got it? Christian, sudah dapat Christian? What is the answer?
My answer is 44.49.
Are you sure 44? Can you count it again? Okay, help me to count this one. Wait a moment. Can you help me, Christian? Christian? Okay, go ahead. Please count it. 3 times 5.
3 times 5, 15.
Okay, and
then 1 times 3 is 3 plus 1 becomes 4.
good, and
then 2 times 3 is 6.
then
And
next
then 3. Put
3. So the answer is
36.45.
so why did you answer 40 just now? What's going on? 44? What's going on?
Because I thought the 6 have a 1.
Okay, so we give back the decimal. How many digits behind of decimal point? There are 2, right? It means we counted 1, 2, and then we got the answer is 36.45. Okay, jangan bilang 36.45. That's wrong, yeah. Okay, thank you. The next, come on, you can continue, Christian. Go ahead.
36.45 kilograms minus 24.50 kilograms.
Okay, wait a moment. I fill this one first, yeah. Okay, why minus 25.50?
Because Usman used 24.50 kilogram of flowers less than 10.
Okay, this is the keyword less than, lebih sedikit ya. Lebih sedikitnya berapa? 24.50 atau 24.5. We can say like that. So we can make just now we get Tanu, right? Tanu. Ini fokus Tanu. 36.45 minus 24.50. So, what is the answer? The next. Haikal, Putri, please write down on your textbook. If you have questions, please chat me by WA. Come on. Okay, please, Dira already write down on your textbooks, page 117, Dira. Aaron, Janeta, Oswald already, I think. Zuzu, please write down Zuzu on your textbook. Okay, so what is the answer? Okay, I want to remind you, if you want to, kalau kalian mau, okay, menjumlahkan atau mengurangkan decimal number, please do like this, okay? 36.45 minus 24.50, you have to make the decimal point in the same place, ya, same position, ya. So, let's continue. Kalau sudah seperti ini, sudah sama posisinya, kita kurangkan. Oke, help me lah, Christian. 5 minus 0.
5 minus 0 is 5.
Good.
And
4 minus 5.
Cannot, so we borrow from 6 to become 14.
Okay, this is become
6
14.
become 5, and then 4 become 14.
Good
And then
job.
14 minus 5 is 9.
9. Okay, don't forget to make this one, yeah. If this one decimal, you have to make decimal as well, okay? And then the next, 5 minus 4.
Is 1.
1. 3 minus 2.
1.
Okay, so you will get the answer is, can you mention?
11.95.
Okay, so this is the answer. Any question? Any questions? Any questions, Pluto class? Nothing?
No, miss.
No, thank you. Thank you, Christian, for helping. You can write down on your textbook. Boleh ditulis di textbooknya. If you want to ask me, raise your hand. Boleh angkat tangannya ya. Okay. Yes, good job, Ivan. Siapa ini yang jawab 12.15? Adelia. Please recheck your answer. Okay. Any questions again? Nothing? Okay, if you don't have questions, I will remove and don't go to the next. Oh, sorry. Okay, wait. Number 3 and number 4, let's do. I give you around 10 minutes to do this. No, 10 minutes, 5 minutes. I think this is really easy. Okay, number 3 and 4. 3 and 4, please do it. Nanti Miss tanya ya. I will ask you one by one. Miss mau lihat dulu di Zoom ini. Zuriel, Emmanuel, Janeta, Aaron, turn on your camera, please. Please. Hi, come on. Okay, just now Dafarel join ya in Integritas Bangsa account. Hi, Dafarel. Dafarel, please turn on kamera bang. Dafarel, can you hear me, Dafarel? Okay, no response. It's okay. Okay, I give you 5 minutes. It's already 9:38. It will be 9:43. 43. Miss tunggu 9:43. Oke, I hope you can stay here. Miss harap kalian masih di sini nanti karena di akhir Zoom I will take a picture, okay, screenshot I mean. Okay, already 4 more minutes, 4 menit lagi. Number 3 and number 4. Number 3 and number 4. Zuriel, please do it, Zuzu. Zevanya, Janeta, Emmanuel, please do it. Haikal, are you done? Haikal, already done? Haikal, not yet. Paricha, already? Putri, already?
Already, Miss.
Already, good job. Oswald, already? Helen, already? Number 3 and number 4. If you have questions, let me know. You have questions anymore? Nothing?
I'm still doing it, Miss.
Where is Salsali? Salsali? Is there Salsali here? Nothing. Are you done? Christian, Irfan, are you done? Are you done? Nirvana, Vici, Lionel,
Number 4.
are you almost? Adelia, are you done?
You say number 4 and 3 and 4, right, Miss?
3 and 4. Still 3 and 4.
Yes, I'm still doing 4.
Okay. Do your best. If you have questions, let me know, yeah? Remember how to find the answer of multiplication in decimal and division. Abaikan saja dulu, ignore the decimal number, the decimal point I mean, and then you can do division and multiplication directly. And after that, you have to give back. Okay, you have to give back. You have to give back the decimal point. Kembalikan decimal pointnya setelah kamu mendapatkan hasilnya. Okay. Okay, how about the other? Any question? Nothing. Nothing. Nothing is. Emmanuel, are you done, Emmanuel? Are you done? Sudah selesai, Bang? Number 3 and number 4?
Ready, Miss.
Jadi ya. Oke, Miss harap sebagian sudah selesai. So, let's see the answer for number 3. Deng, 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 deng. Apa ya? Kici, please.
3 times 6, 9.65.
Okay. Can you repeat how to say this?
9.65.
Okay, you can say 69. Yang harus disebutkan satu-satu.
69.65.
Okay. 69.65 and then you got the answer. You got the answer? What answer, Tici? Just now you write down what number?
I think it's 108.95.
100.
8.95. I think that's what I get.
Oh, can you repeat because I cannot hear you clearly?
108.95.
Okay, 108.95. Okay, how about the other? Is it correct? You can unmute or thumbs up. Hello everyone, any comment? Ada yang komen? Miss itu kurang tepat Miss atau gimana? Nothing?
Kurang tepat, Miss. Beda-beda, Miss. Beda, Miss. Kayak si Peach,
My
Miss.
answer not the same.
Okay, what is the
I'm
answer?
not
Siapa
same.
yang-
Not
Okay,
same.
I'm not
what is
same.
the
Miss.
what is your answer?
My answer, Miss,
208
My answer
and
200.
95.
208.95, Miss.
208 and 95.
Tadi careless ya, it's okay Vici. Okay, continue Vici. It means that ini ya, 208 and 95. Okay, continue.
Kok tanya lagi? Baru 208.95. Nah, itu
Okay,
divided by 5.
okay, divided by 5. So, you get the answer is?
Jangan nanya Miss, karena jawaban saya tadi udah salah. Tanya yang
Okay,
lain.
Adelia. Yeah, okay, Adelia will help you. Thank you, Vici. Adelia, what is the answer?
Miss, my answer not same.
Your answer is not 208.95.
No.
So, my
I know,
answer
Miss.
same.
I
My
miss.
answer same.
I miss.
Are you sure, sis? Are you sure, Adelia? Okay,
Miss.
who's that? I miss tadi. I miss you
Miss.
gitu.
Ivan, Miss.
Ivan,
Ivan.
okay, Ivan, go ahead. What is the answer?
41.79.
Yeah, good
Yes,
job. 41.79. Okay, so the answer is 41.79. Okay, good job. Thank you, everyone. Go to the next number 4, the last. Okay, kita nggak ada assignment today, so nggak apa-apa. Kalau kalian join sampai akhir, untungnya di kalian. You will be smart, and then you will be know the new one. Okay, we will clear this one. We'll go to the next. Coba yang tadi yang agak careless, yang salah hitung, please fix your answer ya. Oke, number 4. I wanna call, Miss panggil namanya, siap-siap, Sierra. Sierra, please answer the question number 4.
And
This
4
one ya, langsung
circular
ke sini.
spaces have a total
Langsung
mass
ke
of
sini.
21.6 kilogram. The mass of the wooden vase is 3.3 kilogram. What is the mass of each glass vase? Round off your answer to 2 decimal places.
What is the first step?
21.6
21.6 minus,
minus 3.3.
iya, 3.3-nya di mana Miss? Buat like this. Like
No,
this.
no, miss.
How about this? Wait ya. How about this? Like this?
Please Miss, itu salah kayaknya Miss Aida berapa kali ada 3 homework salah karena replacing-nya gitu Miss.
Yeah,
Ya,
miss.
jadi make this one ya.
Di bawah one satunya.
Iya. Iya, jadi intinya ada keywordnya, posisi desimalnya harus sama, oke, sejajar ya, the same position, oke. So this one is 3.3. Okay, we count it from this one. 6 minus 3 equals
3.
3. Don't forget make the point, decimal point. Wait a moment. I will repeat 3. Okay, and then next 1 minus 3, can or no?
Cannot miss.
So borrow from this become what
Become
number? Become
11.
11. This one become
Become 1.
good. 11 minus 3 equals
8.
8. Okay, so this one go down, yeah, because
Yeah.
minus nothing. So you will get the answer is
18.3.
yeah, 18.3. Okay, 18.3 this one. Okay. And then the next, lanjut, ayo, biar kita selesaikan. What is the next step?
18.3
Okay.
divided by 4.
Okay, so what is the answer? Who knows? Siapa yang bisa? Bantu atau Syara, can you? Syara?
No, Miss.
Oke, bagi dulu nak, dibagi
I
dulu,
can
divide
try.
dulu nak, divide.
Well, I already do that.
You already do that? Okay, go ahead. Kalau sudah, okay, if you want to
So-
divide this, coba baginya tanpa decimal point nak. So what number will you get?
But if me miss, I always still there is decimal piece. Walaupun di
Yeah, it's
divide.
okay. If still decimal number, it's okay, yeah, because we want to find the.
Because what my mother told me like that.
Oh, your mother like that. Okay, how about the other, Ivan,
So
Christian,
18.
Fana, Adelia? How about your answer, Pichi?
If my answer is 48.25.
This one, 18.3 divided by 4. You answer 4.5. Can you repeat, Pichi? 4 point. Oke, yang lainnya gimana? How about the other? Come on, almost time's up.
4.575.
Oke, 575. But remember, kids, kalau ada tanda seperti ini, artinya kamu harus round up. Round up itu artinya kamu taksirkan, ya, dibulatkan. Oke, oke, dibulatkan kemana, Miss Ruth? 2 decimal places. Oke, 2 digit di belakang decimal point. Oke, it means here sampai
So
sini ya.
miss, is her answer correct or wrong?
What? This one?
Her
Not,
answer is correct.
almost correct, tapi belum ini jawabannya, nak. Belum ini jawabannya. Kita ubah dulu ya. Kita ubah dulu. We will change. Oke. Look
So
at this
if
one.
she answer if it didn't ask untuk dibulatkan, jawaban dia benar atau salah, Miss?
Benar. Kalau tidak
Nah,
disuruh
biar I
dalam
bulat.
soal. Maaf. Ini benar, nak. Tapi kan di soal minta round off ya. If round off, look at the what is this? What you call it this? This is tens. When you grade 4, I think I already taught you about this. Miss sudah pernah ajarkan ini ya untuk kelas Big Dipper ya kemarin ya. Masa lupa. Oke, coba lihat. Kita lihat dulu hundreds-nya. Ini hundreds ya, per 10-nya. And then, if we need until 2 decimal places, kalau hanya untuk 2 digit saja, oke, kamu akan, look at this one. Look at the previous number. Lihat angka sebelumnya, 5. So we have to round off to the right or to the left. I mean to the up or to the down. Kita harus bulatkan kemana? Ke atas atau ke bawah angka 5? What should we do? To up or to down? Which one? If the number is 5, kalau angkanya 5, kita bulatkan kemana, nak? Hello, Bluetooth
Up.
class.
I think
Iya,
up.
Iya, 5 until.
Because as I remember you say for 2 down, kan? 4 is the maximum of 2 down, right?
Yes, if the number is 1, berarti 2 down ke bawah ya. Tapi karena ini up, you plus this one, and then you cross this one, so the answer will be 4.58. Okay, bukan 58 ya, nak. So 4.58 is the answer. Okay, already 2 decimal places. Sesuai ya dengan ininya. Okay, please write down on your textbook. Any questions, Faricha? Aduh, Miss, I got dizzy, Miss. Any question? Nothing? Nothing? Nothing?
Nothing, Miss.
Down ya. Iya, ini harus dipelajari ya, rounding number ini, round off ini ya. Remember ya, Nak ya. Grade 4 sudah pernah dipelajari basicnya. Oke. If you don't have questions anymore, we don't have assignment. You can see from the PDF e-learning, no assignment. And I will stop share this one. And let's take screenshot.